Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be building our own free weights out of concrete, PVC, and some other materials. With coronavirus going on, it was really hard to find weights online there for a while, and now that they're available again, they run at about $2 per pound, which can get quite pricey as you can imagine. So we're trying to save some money, so follow along with us and we'll go ahead and get started. Hi folks, here we are at an unnamed box hardware store. So we'll be back out here in a second with all our supplies. And let's get it in here. All right, we got everything wrapped up. It was a great project. It took way longer than I expected. If I could do some things differently looking back, I would figure out a way to level out the weights as I set them in the concrete molds so that they weren't looking so wonky. Some of them didn't turn out very straight, weren't super bad, but they could have been better. I also think I'm going to add more rubber sealant on both ends, so I'm not having as much cracking, chipping. I think I'm going to go to the local farm supply store and get some horse matting so I can set it up in a corner of the garage to use the weights in that area to prevent them from cracking or chipping any further. Obviously, this is just a cheap way for around $100 to build a decent weight set if you're really looking to work out and don't want to show up at the gym with COVID going on. Anyways, thanks for joining us. It was a really fun project, and we'll see you next time.